still opening YouTube in your browser every time? There's a better way. In this video, I'll show you how to install and use the YouTube app experience on your PC or laptop in just a few simple steps. Let's begin. Now, launch Google Chrome or any web browser on your PC or laptop, and this feature works best in Chrome, so stick with it for a smooth experience. Navigate to the search bar, type youtube.com, and press enter to open the YouTube website. Here's a quick heads up. Using the shortcut youtube.com is faster than searching for it every time. Click on the three-dot menu icon located in the top right corner of your browser window. This is where Chrome hides all its extra tools and app installation options. Hover over Cast, Save, and Share, or look directly in the dropdown, and click Install YouTube. Confirm by clicking Install in the pop-up prompt. This is the most important step, so don't close the pop-up too early. Once installed, the YouTube web app shortcut will appear on your desktop. Click to open it directly whenever you need.